Messed up mug with the game to match. I'm a love fist gangster with no posse at my back. I'll break the silence, as awkward as it is. I'll cough up some bullshit and sell it to your kids. Yo, I'll piss you off just to mark where I've been and take a bat to these cats keep on politicking. I'm part-time jobbing with a hard time jogging. I'm causing confusion with some work type jogging. I'm hardly lazy, but partly fading. Or call me crazy, baby, if that may be. Upon the listening, I caught them missing it. The optimistic kids missing the gist of it. Apology accepted, I know that you're childish. Mindless acts covered up with some violence. Who's this usually? Useless addict, a toothless addict with some boosts and magic. Leave you stuck in the dugout instead of at bat. The chances to answer and handsome at that. And all in all, it's just a caution, y'all. And I'm the burden bear ass at the top of y'all. And the bad news is the past 2 kids were the last 2 cats from the brand new tip. And my facts, my facts ain't accurate. Hack the act, the scripts and made up half of it. Half of this captured by a Kodak caption. Hijack your ships and hightail with captains. I'm frequently caught in the awkwardness, often with the cops and the boss assist. I'm gonna play it on, but playing tough as a rock. And the causes you're off playing possum a lot. And I'm off last call, yanked by a hook, left in the gutter cause the show was in the book. Forced in these places where my style is ignored. And forget what you think, man, the move is moving forward.
Dead nice person, gentleman.
I come swinging like SAM Sosa, except I got big nugs and they're chillin' on the coast of the rude type. Only fights if his shoes tight. Talk to fellow fellas and they'll tell ya who's nice. I'm on the jungle boogie lyrics in the wubby-dubby language, talking off a lot of shit in the Target parking lot. More than often, more than honest, and he's not accomplished not enough when we stop rocking nonchalant. It's the end of the if I only could. If I had a better 4 more tracks, I could score with a local buttercup if I could cover it. I'm nothing but a summer hit, a bum is it a lump of shit. I love it, but I can never be like Fran. Man, insane like a man, drill the KGB in 83, nickname me Suckle Up. I keep it pumping and packed like plastic bubble wrap. I got it in the bag with the books in the back. Also part of the abominable marksman, armed with an all the brace, illest speakers in your city, the G1. For the record, I never said it was ever dead, only temporary hibernation. It's Caucasian and Asian, but that don't mean I'm Cajun. Amazing yet basic, an ace and the jack of all trades. Oh no, your homie, you don't think so? Fuck a casino, I play MC like Pachinko. Choke made the rhythm and the flow fit like Tampax. Not a fan of the small of the back tactic. Tacky, close mix match, he was never really in on that whole fitting in thing. But when he let it rip, he made it all fall flat though. Like that fat, so keen on that all that show, an asshole that coined the phrase on tap. Small stage junkie, we call a rock in the Shaw's cap.